हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज यशवंत चिंचाने और आज हम देखने वाले हैं एक नया टॉपिक विच वी कॉल्ड एज ब्रेन डेथ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज ब्रेन डेथ? Brain death is a neurological death in which cortex, which controls the normally activities like reading, writing and talking, conscious and nervous system, these activities are taken by the spinal cord. Okay, so in brain death there is a neurological death in which cortex damage, person goes into coma. So coma is not a brain death. Even in coma, person give response to higher stimuli or which we also call as deeper stimuli. Okay, deeper stimuli. So in brain death, cortex plus spinal cord both become dead. And when cortex and spinal cord का ऊपरी हिस्सा, which we called as brain stem, will be dead, then there is a O2 deprivation. O2 deprivation. अगर O2 ही नहीं मिलेगा, so respiration stop. And when there is a respiration stop, then ultimately cardiac activity also stop. Okay, so then how or when brain death is caused? If a person receive a serious blow to head or major stroke. So brain swell हो जाता है. But as we know, skull is made up of bone, so it doesn't allow brain to swell. Okay, so doctors try it by surgery or by medicine. Pressure increasing in brain and which is higher than heart sound, which is higher than heart sound or heartbeat. Okay, so brain death, which we call as neurological death. Yes, then in brain death, in fact, cell don't just die, it undergo some process. Okay, in brain death, cells don't just die, undergo some process which we called as lysis begin, in which cells become liquefy, and then liquefy makes the brain death irreversible. Okay, so how we confirm that the death is from brain death? Death is from brain death. How we confirm this? So if person unconscious, then can't breathe, can't swallow and cough, pupil not respond to light. So these four signs are signs of brain death. These four signs are signs of brain death. But before brain death declared, some tests are performed twice with an interval of 6 hours. Due to ventilator, heart process, but actually the person is brain death, but actually the person in brain death. Okay, so हम कितने घंटे तक पेशेंट को जिंदा रख सकते हैं बाय द वेंटिलेटर? चाहे तो वीक्स और चाहे तो फॉर 1 आवर 2 आवर्स, बट ब्रेन स्टेम डेथ इज always death, but brainstem death is always death, so it is irreversible. So this is a brain death. Okay, so if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.